Best 15 Travel and Outdoor Essentials. Welcome back. Today I am diving into the best 15 travel and outdoor essentials to upgrade your next adventure. I have carefully evaluated these top-rated items to ensure you pack smarter and travel better. Let's get right into the list. Product number 1. Vacbird 15-pack vacuum bags for travel. When I am preparing for a long journey, maximizing my luggage space is an absolute necessity. I recently started using the Vacbird 15-pack vacuum bags for travel, and it has completely transformed how I pack my suitcase. This comprehensive set comes with a highly efficient, rechargeable, cordless electric pump, which means I no longer have to rely on bulky hotel vacuum cleaners or exhausting manual hand pumps to compress my clothing. These carry-on packing bags easily fit right into my standard luggage, acting as an incredible space saver for all my clothes and bulkier clothing items. At $34.99, I find the overall value to be outstanding for the sheer volume of space I get back. Product number 2. Trektote 15-piece Women's Travel and Hygiene Kit. Whenever I need to travel light without sacrificing my daily routine, I grab the Trektote 15-piece Women's Travel and Hygiene Kit. For just $13.99, it provides complete all-in-one convenience for any trip. I love that it is pre-assembled and arrives fully sealed in a clear, reusable travel toiletry bag, making it entirely TSA approved since all included liquid items are strictly under 3.4 ounces. The fresh and clean scent is delightful, and the kit covers my whole body care needs perfectly. It includes essential items like a comb, razor, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, cotton swabs, bandages, a toiletry wipe, a toothbrush, toothpaste, stick deodorant, and flossers. Product number 3. 15 packs vacuum bags for travel with rechargeable pump. For another exceptional packing solution, I also use the 15 packs of vacuum bags for travel that conveniently include a rechargeable pump. Priced reasonably at $24.99, this set is an absolute lifesaver when I need to organize my closet or pack heavily for a long journey. The set provides 3 different sizes of vacuum seal bags, which allows me to carefully categorize and compress various types of clothing. Whether I'm storing bulky winter jackets at home or packing lighter shirts for an upcoming trip, these compression vacuum travel bags fit perfectly into my luggage. I really appreciate the ultimate convenience of the included rechargeable pump, making the air extraction process rapid and completely effortless. Product number 4. Fioenna Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. During my long flights, keeping my phone accessible and secure is vital, which is exactly why I never travel without the Fioenna Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. Costing only $7.99, this sleek black tabletop mount is specifically designed with a dual-ring magnetic track for MagSafe. It perfectly fits my iPhone, but it is compatible with the entire iPhone 12 through 17 series and other smartphones using MagSafe cases. I am particularly impressed with the sturdy enclosure material, which combines an aluminum alloy base with ABS for long-lasting durability. This specific model features 20 reinforced N55 magnets, ensuring my device stays firmly attached without falling during turbulence. Product number 5. BAGZY 40 by 30 by 15 centimeter personal item travel bag. Finally, to easily carry all my carefully compressed luggage and gadgets, I rely on the BAGZY 40 by 30 by 15 centimeter personal item travel bag. At $21.99, this black bag is the perfect lightweight weekender companion. Measuring 16 by 12 by 6 inches, it complies flawlessly with most airplane personal item size restrictions, fitting neatly under the seat. I love that it functions as a versatile foldable duffel bag, allowing me to pack it away easily when I'm not actively using it. It is wonderfully water-resistant, which gives me tremendous peace of mind when I am traveling through unpredictable weather or rushing through busy airport terminals.
Thank you for watching this breakdown of the best 15 travel and outdoor essentials.json. I hope these essentials help you pack smarter for your next trip. Hit subscribe for more reviews, and I will see you in the next video.